Welcome to Cloak Showcase. In this video, I'll show you how to use pretty much all of the commands. And yeah, after you've logged in to your account on Cloak, there should be a video about that. If you go to your general settings, it should ask you for your command prefix and other stuff like that. This is basically how you start all of your commands. So if I do !help, startup is just basic stuff like if Discord launches, then it launches with it. Your log directory, this is a big one. Um, so in your Cloak folder that I've made in my downloads, I'm just gonna make a new one called logs. I'm gonna copy this path and simply paste it in right there. So anytime I use a logging command, it's going to put all of that stuff in there. The commands tab, this shows you all the commands that you can use and how to actually use them. Uh, yep, nothing to say over there. Uh, Presence, this is a kind of big one. So for your Discord presence, you have to go to Discord Developer Portal and go to Applications and then make an application or copy it, either one, and then copy your application ID. If you paste it in right here and then click Load Assets, if you go to your large image key, it should show you what you can actually use. I'll just do test, test, test. Now if we click Save Changes and Start Presence, if you look at my account, it shows the actual activity that I'm using, as you can see here. Auto status, this is a really cool one that pretty much everyone uses. If you click Add New Profile, make it like a profile name, and then every 10 seconds I want to change my bio or status. I'm going to do Cloak. After you have it done, just click Save Profile, and then you can load your profile in the active profile slot, and then click Enable. And then now if you watch it, make it 5, 5, save changes. 1. As you can see, it's changing automatically for me. Notifications, this is just when it'll send notifications down at the actual like notifications bar. It tells you when commands are executed, system messages, and direct messages. I have these currently turned off on like the Windows settings, so it automatically blocks them. If you go to notifications, we have all of our, like, it tells you when commands are used, when they were used, where, so Discord, and the channel ID, server ID, and message ID. Some pretty basic stuff. Our console, this allows you to run commands via the actual menu. I'll just show off web nuke real quick. So if we do web nuke, we have to do the server ID, and then we have to do the channel amount. So we're gonna do 10, and we're gonna do the message as everyone. Hi. And then to stop a web nuke, just click stop. And it should stop automatically. So that's pretty much it for the notifications and console. For home, this just shows basic stuff like the amount of servers you're in, the commands that are registered, 9 total friends, so how many people you have added, your prefix, current time and current date, just to show the day of recording. And this also shows what version you're running and the status of your key. And then also your Discord ID and display name. Let's go over some of the actual commands, shall we? So help, of course, just shows all of your commands. P means prefix, so if you do your prefix and then utility, it'll show all the utility commands. We have a decent amount, so uptime is how long the bot has been connected to your account. Server info, these only work for this only works for servers you're actually in. So we just copy the server ID, and then it should tell you the ID, the owner, members, online, and the actual icon. So we can paste that in here, and then you get the icon for the server. Pretty neat. User info gets all of your like my ID. You get my banner color, my accent color, my avatar when it was created. The join we have avatar, so if we try and get someone's avatar, I'll show you. Text commands, there's a decent amount here. We have spam. You can do 25, but we'll do 10 messages and we'll do 5. It just keeps on going until it reaches 10 messages. Let's go over our security profile. Security, okay, these ones are pretty unique. We have web nuke, which as you saw earlier, CDMs, this closes all DMs that you currently have. So I'll show it here. If I do exclamation point C DMs, closes all DMs, which is really nice. Leave GCs, this leaves all the group chats that you're currently in. CDMs closes all of them automatically for me, so I can't really show that here. Ghost mode, this just hides the typing indicator, but only for the bot. So I mean, it's pretty useless unless you are typing with the bot, I guess. No leave GC, this one's a really nice one. So if you're in a group chat and you run it, it makes it so all the people that you have added cannot leave the GC at all. It automatically adds them back if they leave. Yeah, that's pretty much it for security. We'll do a react. This one's just like the first command I ever made. A react, and then we'll do an emoji here. We'll do a cry emoji. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And then we can toggle it off. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the Cloak Showcase. Thank you for purchasing.